Welcome to Snapshot Publisher. In this overview, we will show what Snapshot does, provide a general overview of the features, and learn where to get information and video tutorials to learn more about using Snapshot Publisher. Snapshot was designed to solve the content challenge, which is creating a steady stream of engaging content. Since it's very difficult and time-consuming to create 100% new content, Snapshot Publisher helps tell your story with a blend of original content, repurposed content from assets that you already own, and curated content from content that you've gathered, saved, and organized. Snapshot supports the complete content cycle. First, it helps you find new content, categorize it, and then you can use that content to create new stories and posts. Then you can publish and schedule those, engage with followers, measure results, and even share content with other users. Now let's take a look at how Snapshot Publisher works. It helps you create, curate, publish from one easy-to-use platform. First, you have to get content in from different sources like Word documents, RSS feeds, websites, networks, PDFs, social media channels, and image libraries. Then you create your content by researching and writing and publishing out to multiple different destinations like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, blogs, and websites. Then you can engage with followers using the social dashboards, measure results including drill down reports by category to see how things are performing, and sharing content through categories with other users. Now let's take a look at the product. Snapshot is a web-based application, so we'll log in. Snapshot is designed to have the look, feel, and performance of a desktop application. Let's take a look around the product. At the top right is the user profile. By clicking on the name, we can add company accounts if we want to manage multiple, do seat management and add new users. Team management allows us to invite new users and share content in categories. We can change our subscription, manage our password, and log out. At the top center, by clicking on the edit pencil, we can edit our company profile, the name, the picture. We can also connect social channels, set up approvers, and connect a URL shortener so we can measure click-throughs and results. Underneath is the company selection menu if you manage multiple companies. This is the main navigation bar. We're on the home page here. Next is Discover. This is where you can conduct searches, find new content and stories, and save them in your categories. Stories is where we connect RSS feeds, view the feeds, and save the content that we like into our categories. From there, we can go and engage with followers through the use of social media dashboards. We can make comments and engage with people, track competition. Next is the scheduler. If we build up an inventory of content, we can go in and bulk schedule it right in the bulk scheduler. Next is approvals. If we set up an approver, we can view the status of the approvals here. And the last content area is reports. You can go in and track and manage results and posts and do drill downs. On the right is video help, where there's a series of video tutorials. We also have FAQs. On the left is the write area. If you want to create new content, you can create a new post, a new tweet, or write a new article. In the center of the home page is My Categories. This is where we have important topics of interest that we would like to publish stories about. For Betty's Bakeries, we have artisan bread, brownies, cakes, cookies, as well as promotions and events. In each of these categories, we can find, collect, and save important stories, RSS feeds, and websites, and then we can access those in order to create stories. At the top right is Shared Categories. This is where other users can create teams like Betty's Bakery headquarters, and then they can choose to share one or more categories. In this example, they can share the image library or special offers, and all the content that's in those categories is available to be used. The final thing we'd like to highlight here in the overview is how to get help. Click on any of the blue information buttons throughout the application and it opens up an information box that provides instructions on what you can do from that page, as well as links to video tutorials. For new users, our video tutorials will autoplay as soon as you enter a new part of the product. You can view the videos to learn about how to use that section of the product. To close out of the video, you can hit the X here, and if you wish not to see the video again, you can hit the checkbox here. To view those videos in the future, you can always go back up to the video help where you'll see all of the video tutorials.